The Adhesive Finder from Weicon is an incredibly useful online tool designed to help you choose the correct Weicon adhesive that will best suit your individual application. This easy-to-use tool can be accessed by entering the URL displayed on the screen or by following one of the many links from a Weicon adhesive product on AG's webpage. Once on the page, we can see the fields that the Adhesive Finder uses to suggest the correct adhesive for your application. It is important that you fill out the fields from left to right to ensure the application works properly. You are now ready to start selecting your parameters. Firstly, select the material that you are bonding and the material you are bonding to from the drop-down menus. For example, if we are bonding some rubber sheet to line the back of a steel ute tray, we would select rubber and metal. We then select our bonding method. A visual representation of each type is visible once selected. For our current application, the most appropriate bonding method would be surface bonding. At this time, it is important to note that if any parameter is not known, for instance, we do not know the size of the bonding gap, we can leave the selection as all. Next, we choose the bonding gap. As we are looking at a surface bonding application, we would expect the bonding gap to be less than 0.2 mm as both surfaces are touching. However, some applications are not completely touching and the adhesive may be required to fill a gap. In this case, we would choose one of the other more suitable options. We then choose the initial handling strength. This is the time frame that is required before we are able to handle the partially cured component. In our example, this parameter is not very important, so we can leave the option as all. We then need to choose the bond strength when the product is fully cured. Again, if this is not clear, we can leave the option as all. Next, select the temperature that the application will require the adhesive to handle. We can then select any further requirements of the adhesive. For this example application, we would require it to be vibration resistant and weather resistant, so we select these two options. Finally, we can select any approvals that the adhesive may be required to have. In our example case, these would not be required. However, if they are, we can select them from the 4 options provided. We are now ready to inspect the full list of appropriate adhesive options that appear below the Adhesive Finder. The higher percentage rating that an adhesive receives indicates better suitability to the parameters provided. However, the Finder also provides information about each type of adhesive, and you may find that one suits your application better than another. If you are still unsure as to the suitability of a particular adhesive for your application, please do not hesitate to contact your local AG branch or sales representative.